YouTube?
What up, gang?
This your girl Bisha.
And this is Kim. And this is Life with MK.
Booyah!
I guess you know where I've been. I searched to find the love within.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, it's breakfast.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday! Woo!
Today is my birthday. And we are currently an hour and something minutes away from Turks and Caicos. We land at 11:15. We arrive at 11:15. We arrive at 11:15. So we are here just about to shop. Pop another bottle. My baby got me
Birthday.
for my birthday.
Gotta pop it open,
It was the first day, and now it's the second to last day. Alright, so watch behind the scenes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and wish me a happy birthday.
Tell my girl happy
In the
birthday.
comments.
My wife happy birthday. Or I knock y'all ass up.
Now,
Talk your shit.
Pop your shit, babe.
open this up.
Pop your shit, babe.
Yep, let's go. Happy birthday! Boop.
Take it to the head, babe.
Cheers, YouTube.
Take it to the head. Yeah, one more. Nah, that wasn't big enough. Straw?
They said I just brushed my teeth. Just brush my teeth. Too. It's because I brushed my teeth.
They say. Jet skis. Oh, we almost to it, that's why. This water is beautiful. How you go way up at the zoom? Look, look. You don't see it? Wow. I want to pay.
That's okay though.
Honey, are
Yes, please.
Mom, everything right now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, everything. Pretty good. Yourself? That's a yes, ma'am.
Everything honey, right now?
Thank you. I just want you to know you on camera. Oh. Salt water. Girl, don't swim. Don't wet your hair. Y'all see the jet skis? Ow! Ow! I'm walking into the rocks, y'all. Y'all see the rocks? These are rocks right here. I don't know what Kim's talking about. Yeah. Ooh, this water feels so good, y'all. It's so hot. Our cruise leave at 4:30. Y'all look at Carnival 329, 3:30. Y'all look at Carnival celebration compared to Carnival Sunrise. Sunrise. Do y'all see the freaking difference? Jeez, Louise. That is, celebration is huge. Huh?
I know watching it today.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck Percocet, but on my baby poppin' that Adderall. For sure. Way too rich to drive a road. Made a milli out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her on the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man to man. Pull up in the church like Caliban. Pull up with a rock.
We leaving, you guys. It was fun. Birthday girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. You know it's your birthday. Show the really. It's your birthday. I think this a frog. Yeah, that's a frog.
All right, love you. Okay, we will. We still at Turks. We don't leave until, we didn't take off yet. So I think we leave probably soon. We went to 2 Bahamas. So we went to Celebration Key, yeah, Grand Bahamas, and then we went to Moon Cay, and then Turks and Caicos today. We here again.
You here again. Well, we here again.
We're here again. After I don't want $107. But baby been getting all my shots, all my drinks, all my everything. I ain't really been swiping my card. Only if I'm doing it behind her back.
I don't miss it. That's why.
This cute shot. Hey y'all probably done seen this shit 101 times, but listen, when you're on the cruise, that's what you do. I'm trying to put my notes right here.
Window cleaning tomorrow.
So
they gonna be in here
yeah.
opening shit.
We had fun in Turks and Caicos.
Oh, hey, baby. You on IG? I mean,
YouTube.
What up, gang? She said she got me getting her shit.
Man, you can do me a favor. It came out. It look good. Oh yeah. The green wipes. I forgot I cleaned my face. So I'm gonna do my makeup. We got dinner at 8:30, 7:07. So I'm trying to do this quick. Put some type of glam on my face. Tell them, babe, how's your anniversary going?
Amazing. Baby got good energy. She got
Dang, I didn't get it for y'all. I think it's gonna be on Instagram, but
I send it to you and you can do it.
I won't be able to turn it.
Oh yeah.
But
She got good energy. We found somebody at the bar and we were just having a conversation. First was an older lady. She was like, "Happy anniversary." I guess she read the back of
our
my
shirt.
baby shirt. And then another girl who, after that conversation happened, she was just like, she's like, y'all waiting on another shot? Cause she's like, I'm gonna take one with you. And I was like, go ahead.
Oh yeah, cause after the lady said anniversary, I was like, yeah, it's my birthday, and then that's when she jumped in.
She was like Virgo, and I asked her what sign she was. She was a Cancer.
Cancer, and then the other girl is a Leo.
And then she came around and took a shot with baby. Cheers with her. I got a video of it. And then
You probably can show them.
Went outside and smoked.
Get your phone, babe.
3 gentlemen.
Oh yeah.
And they was cool. My phone? Oh yeah, it's right here. Talked to 3 gentlemen from Boston, trying to make us move to Boston. They said that's where the money at. He want me to be a contractor.
She gonna show it to y'all. I gotta get my
He
contact.
said you could be a contractor. Women make $60 an hour. You already just know what I am, huh? Oh. But this shit right here.
Yeah. My contacts is right here, y'all. But yeah, I love you too, babe. But yeah, my birthday is going good. I have fun. We had fun on Turks and Caicos. So let me tell y'all how they was running late.
For real. Everybody was mad. Everybody was like, we finna go on the ship
So-
and get our money back.
Yeah, so we got off the ship. No, that's not what I'm gonna say. Our excursion is 3 hours long. So originally I think it's supposed to start at 12:30, but it ended up starting like 1 something or 1 after 1. And it's supposed to be 3 hours. But by the time we have to be back on the ship by 4:30. So basically they brought us around, which y'all gonna see footages of that. Then we went to eat, and then we're supposed to go to the Governor Beach. Which, I mean, both the beaches are beautiful, but
Governor Beach was like a private one.
yeah, and it came with an umbrella
Cabana.
and like a whole setup. But me and baby looked at time, it was 3 o'clock. That means we have 1 hour and 30 minutes left to get back to the cruise. So
We was like, we go to the beach.
yeah, we'll just go to the beach where we started from, cause y'all gonna see that too. It's 2 part.
Everybody actually did that.
Yeah, it's only 6 people.
Got off that bus.
Only like 6 people got off the bus. Only like 6 people got off the bus. So
All right. Let's think of a word real quick. We gonna do 5. We can't get it in 5. We gonna stop. Ready?
You gotta do the counts, cause I'm focused.
1, 2, 3.
Celebration. Okay.
Birthday celebration. 1,
1,
2, 3.
Dinner. Oh shit.
Dinner, birthday.
So dinner and Marvisha.
I said dinner and birthday.
I said dinner and Marvisha. Where the fuck are we going with this? I don't know where we're going with
Just
this.
told my answer, so we gotta do a different one.
Okay, game over. Game over. But we did do this. We did do that for TikTok. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put a link right here. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok. By the time this video is posted, that TikTok will be up.
They say game over.
Baby just threw me off. But yeah, that was a little game we had played.
Oh, you was talking about 4:30 in the beach, and then we went to the other beach.
Yeah, so but it still was the same.
It was nice.
There's too much lotion, but whatever. I'm moisturizing my face.
The water was beautiful. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, that water was nice. Kim didn't want to get out of it. For a person that does not know how to swim,
I surely don't.
she be in the water like she know how to swim.
It look like I do too.
This boat is moving. I feel it.
Yeah, it is. Remember, Wayne said not none other the waiter.
The waiter, yeah. Oh, he gonna miss us tonight because we ain't going there tonight.
Yeah, we ain't going there tonight.
Like I told y'all yesterday.
Yeah, bro, he knew I
Kim
wanted
sat here and
ordered
ordered her.
He knew I wanted a roasted leg lamb, bro. He knew I wanted.
Kim sat here.
Cuz said, wow.
Kim sat here and ordered herself.
I wanted lamb. The lamb chops was good though.
This
I did
is
want
what
lamb chops though.
Moisturize.
And they'll be fucked up because they gonna have it tonight. Watch.
I'm about to put some primer on.
Watch they gonna
This
have
a
it
quick.
tonight.
This a quick beat. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do what I can to look presentable. And I don't know, I Kim being nasty, but oh, look at this. Look where it want to go after you just did what you did.
That's what you need to do tonight, birthday girl.
But
But I don't have anything white. That's disgusting.
I'm just saying the way it came out. Kim Evans ordered lamb chops last night.
Once I get it again tonight.
That was so funny.
No, it's Italian.
Oh yeah, in
Let me get pasta.
a tip that we learned talking to those older gentlemen, like Kim said, if y'all get on a cruise ship
And they charge you gratuity.
and they charge y'all gratuity, the second to last day, because tomorrow's our last day. Well, tomorrow's our last full day. We leave on Saturday morning.
You can take it off.
You can go to the front desk.
I mean, because we was tipping.
Go
like,
to
for real.
yeah.
I did that. We did it the first cruise, but we didn't know.
And we've been tipping our room attendant. So
Yeah.
if you tipping, you can tell them to remove the gratuity.
Yeah, she I ain't see y'all. And then we tipped her. And then she was like,
Oh.
y'all tipped. And Bae said, that's what we
That's
do.
what we do, because you
Gave
said
her 20.
You
She
said her-
saved us 8. Well, she saved me 80. She saved you 80. So,
yeah, she was
We
sitting
gave
here
her
talking
dub.
about some she don't see you tip. We gotta show it then. I had a feeling Kim was gonna do that.
because I don't play like that. Lady, I ain't lying to you. Let me show you.
Oh, this is what I use, y'all. I had this for about 2 years. That's how you know I don't do makeup all the time. This makeup is lasting me.
She
Oh,
don't. And I told her she didn't need it tonight. Bae said it's her birthday.
it's my birthday.
It's like, you don't need it. Shit, I need it. These damn spots in my face.
And the fact is that I ain't got no good lighting right here. I don't know what I'm doing to my face. Hold on.
Where would you want to go?
No, I'm gonna use this.
Because in the bathroom. If you don't see the dots in the inside of it, you get wait, one more on that side.
This side?
Yeah, you go one more.
Oh.
Right there.
But yeah. Need some light, y'all.
The hallway actually has good light.
I'm
It's
surprised
right here by the door.
about the door.
Because it got 2 lights up under each other. Look at the wall, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Bag on me, bag in the T.I. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not throwing shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow back. It's the way.
just showing my friend. This is me. My strap keep falling down, y'all.
Sorry. I thought we came a different way. Yeah. Well.
How is your day? Everything is good?
Yes. My birthday today.
Yes, I can see. It's very nice, huh? Somebody is wearing pink like a palto during their birthday time.
Thank you.
It's looking very nice.
We have it as a party game for the next cruise. How many Coke Zeros can we get?
Y'all, we made it to dinner. Baby brought us to dinner. Happy anniversary, baby. Happy anniversary. Thank you, baby. We're at, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the footage before we sat down, but what is called, baby? Can't even pronounce it.
Whatever works.
Here's your water.
Cheetah. We'll ask her when she come here.
Let's cheers for you too. Cheers.
You eat places you can't pronounce. That's how you know you live in life. Well, you can't read, but it's Italian, so.
Some bread, y'all. What is it? Amen. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to come.
They got she Italian with it. She got a nice meatball, like she had a baby shower.
Oh, we're gonna taste it for y'all. Hold on.
So she had a baby shower.
And it actually really helps with your It is they're very yes.
How's it sound?
I think it's funny that like both of the coffee it's not a lot of soda.
The grande braciolo?
The who?
The grande, the
Oh, that's me.
There's some that are like just aggressively loud. And they're not very powerful. They're just loud.
This kid.
They thought she was getting some real garlic potatoes. Look at her little potato.
Alright, let's not talk about that.
Oh, there you go.
Roasted broccoli cauliflower.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got broccoli cauliflower. So here you go, babe. My bad. Here you go. Have potatoes like that.
Did they see this?
No toppings on it. Regardless of something.
It's my boy. Come here.
Oh.
The Louis.
Hi.
So they will sing for you in Italian.
We will see.
Okay.
My voice is kaputa. Okay. So in count of 1, 2, and 3.
Make a wish.
Your expensive wish.
Instead of drinking.
Hey y'all, I'm not sure how much we showed y'all. Baby over there knocked that. Oh, she up somewhat. We just left the all white party. It was alright. I think we got some footages of it. Oh, sorry. Then we got some footages of it. Now we in the bed. Don't mind the mess. But let me show y'all where we at. I don't know if y'all can see that. The white line, the yellow line that's coming from Grand Turk, that's where we're at. Long ways to go, if y'all can see that. Long ways to go. Anyways, y'all, that is it for day 4. My birthday ends soon.
Woo, birthday girl.
It ends almost, it's 11/16.
Birthday girl. I'm in the bed naked because I want some.
My birthday gonna be officially over.
I'm in the bed naked for some birthday sex.
I truly indeed enjoyed my birthday today.
I'm gonna enjoy the night. Don't cry now.
I am enjoying my birthday trip. I enjoyed my birthday today. Took pictures. We did a lot. Tomorrow.
You enjoyed, baby.
Oh, thanks, baby. Oh, this lash coming up. Tomorrow is C-Day. So I don't know. I guess we'll try to record. I don't know what's going on tomorrow. I know we getting the water park. Water camera been acting stupid every time I try to use it. So I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage. Damn, this lash about to fall out. I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage. I'm trying to, whatever we do tomorrow, I'm gonna look at it to see what we got planned for tomorrow. We're gonna check in with y'all tomorrow. For sure it's gonna be breakfast, always. Tomorrow's dinner, y'all gonna see that too. But during the day, don't know what's planned besides going down the water slides. Don't know if we're gonna be able to get there, like I said. But we're gonna end off day 4. Baby, don't close eyes. We're gonna end off day 4. I don't know how long this footage is, but I tried to get y'all as much as I can. Also, it'd be hard to record when you're having so much fun, but I be trying to remember you guys. I be trying to remember also for us to create memories, because every time we go somewhere, like this our second time on a cruise. First time we went on a cruise, we didn't really record, but we did record. So this time I tried to make sure we record everything that we was doing. I don't know. Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in day 5.
Bye.
Peace.